I just saw a video and I'm extremely disturbed, okay? Everybody's eating booty now. Like, everybody wants to be a booty licker. Like, is anybody concerned about getting hepatitis A? A lot of y'all might be walking around with hepatitis A, a liver infection, and you don't even know it, okay? Look into it, okay? If you know, maybe you been a booty licker and maybe you're like, oh, I might have had some fecal matter in my mouth. I don't know. But I'm sure some of y'all walk around here with hepatitis A from doing that, okay? If that's your thing, honey, have fun. But go get checked.